One of the eye-opening parts of the Elastic advantage is the real cost differences between Elastic and the other major vendors. Let's start with the numbers. They're on the screen. Elastic costs less than half per 100 gigabytes of data ingested a day when compared to Splunk, Dynatrace, and QRadar. And that's not even incorporating any of their additional modules. But it's not just about the cost. It's also about efficiency. Elastic requires fewer admin hours per month, meaning your team spends less time maintaining the system and more time acting on insights. These savings are possible because of Recon's modular data collection approach. By using OTel and Logstash, we offload processing from the Elastic cluster, reducing compute and storage needs. We believe Elastic should focus on what it does best. Search, analytics, alerting, anomaly detection, they're all part of what Elastic does. This is especially important for scaling businesses. As your data grows, Elastic scales with you without blowing your budget, giving you a little bit more predictability. As a great example, one of our customers ingests over 7.2 terabytes of data a day via our data collection method. It costs less than $1 million a year. That's including the licensing and the related infrastructure involved, using Elastic. The customer actually got competitive quotes from some of the people on the screen for over $3 million to perform the same function. And remember, with Elastic, you're not paying extra for features. You get search, observability, and SIEM all under the one license. No hidden costs, no fragmented add-ons. Let's break this down. You get the lightning fast search AI that Elastic includes across all your structured and unstructured data, whether it's stored in the Elastic environment or external sources. This is critical for real-time decision making. You get observability and full visibility into logs, metrics, and traces across all your infrastructure. That's not just your application infrastructure, that's also your servers, your networks, everything across the board. This supports active SLO management. You get alerting when something's going a little bit wrong, helping your team stay ahead of performance issues. With Elastic Security, you unify endpoint, cloud, and SIEM data together, enabling rapid threat detection and response across all your network, cloud, infrastructures, and security aspects. But the added advantage is actually more about allowing the AI data intelligence structure. What this does is, because you're stitching all this type of stuff together, you're accelerating the investigation and you're able to come to root cause analysis a lot faster. With application performance, you can deep dive into the app behaviors, helping developers troubleshoot and optimize faster. When you add things like RUM capabilities to the mix as well, you get that user experience from both the browsers and devices, giving you a true picture of the actual performance of your systems. Underlying all of this is the machine learning and anomaly detection engine that Elastic has built in. It automates complex analysis, uncovers the hidden patterns, and delivers real-time insights into all the aspects I've mentioned above. But here's the big kicker. None of these are extra modules. There's only one license. You get all the advanced features such as vector search and generative AI assistance without needing to upgrade or bolt on additional products. This makes Elastic ideal for scaling across hybrid and multi-cloud environments, whether you're in a startup or a large enterprise. It's not just a platform, it's a strategic enabler for visibility, security, and operational excellence.